Hello everyone. This is Miss Waite's first video voiceover that I'm doing for you guys. So it's not perfect. A couple of things are out of frame, but that's okay because I attached some pictures for you guys to look at so you can see the full picture of what I was drawing. But today we're talking about plant organs and tropisms. We've actually already talked about these things, but it's been about 2 weeks, maybe a little more. I've lost count since we've looked at them. So I want to look back at them again just to kind of jog you guys' memories. So today shouldn't be too difficult of a day for you all since it's day one. What I'm just doing, I'm starting off by drawing a flower um, on my paper. And if you guys, a lot of you might remember, I had a lot of you draw this during class when we first started this unit. So this might look familiar, but as you see, I'm drawing my stem, I'm drawing my leaves, I'm drawing all of the parts of the plant that we're gonna need to know about. And like I said, I know like some of the things are out of the frame. When I draw the roots, they're going to be out of the frame. But there's a picture attached so you can look at the picture. Guys, please look at the picture. The picture is going to help you with your independent practice and knowing all of your labels and things like that. So please look at the picture. So what we have here is a flower. I'm drawing my sun. Plants need the sun for photosynthesis. And then I'm about to get into my first label. So the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and label are the leaves. So the leaves, the function of the leaves are to capture sunlight for photosynthesis. You need something to catch that sun, and the leaves are standing right there and they're ready to do that. The stem is our transportation system. It transports water and nutrients up and down that plant. That's why it has a stem. And then what you can't see me labeling are the roots. Look at the picture for this one. The roots absorb nutrients and water for the plant. Look at the picture for the labels, guys, because the roots got cut off. I'll do better tomorrow. Tomorrow's will be better. The second thing that we're going to be looking at are our tropisms. So I'm dividing my paper into 4 sections. Again, there is a picture included. The first one we're going to be talking about is phototropism. So I'm starting off by drawing my sun because that is the photo part of phototropism. As you can notice, I'm drawing my little flower pot, but it's not right up underneath the sun. So let's think about the way that the flower is going to grow if it's not directly right up underneath the sun. Is it going to grow to the left? Is it going to grow to the right? Is it still going to grow straight up and down? What do you think it's going to do? Well, judging by this picture, it looks like the flower is going to be growing towards the sun. Plants always grow towards the sun. They need that sunlight. So that's where they're going to grow. You want to be where the things that you need are. The next tropism we're going to be looking at is gravitropism. So gravis sounds like gravity. Yeah, it sounds like gravity. So this is looking at how plants respond to gravity. So gravity is always pulling things down. Plants are super special in the fact that there are 2 parts of the plant that always grow the same way. The stem always grows up, no matter what. No matter what position the plant is in, and we watched a video on this, guys, no matter what position the plant is in, the stem always grows up. The roots always grow down, no matter what. They always grow down. The next thing we're going to look at is hydrotropism. So hydro is water. So this is going to be how plants respond to water. So like I said, it's not perfect. Tomorrow's will be better, I promise, guys. But what I'm drawing at the bottom is I'm just drawing the ground. And then I'm drawing a little bit of water off to the side. And like I've been saying, you can go look at the picture, the still shot, so that you can really see what I'm doing. But if, like I said, if you need something, you're going to want to be near it. So this is how plants are responding to their location relative to water. So what I'm doing is I'm drawing a flower. And what I actually did was show how the roots are going to grow towards the water. They're going to grow towards what they need. And our last one is thigmotropism. This is how plants respond to touch. So let's say that I have a wooden fence and then I have a plant growing near the wooden fence. As it touches the fence, it's gonna grow around the fence. It's gonna grow around, try to get up to that sunlight, try to get what it needs. And those are all of the tropisms. So we have one that responds to light, one that is responding to gravity, one that's responding to water, and one that is responding